to turn this into a song. And we did. But when we were rehearsing for the My Kind of Christmas tour, there were so many ballads in the show, and we hadn't gotten around to rehearsing this one yet, and then it was like a day before they had to go to New York, and so it just got to be too much to do it. But then he was missing it. So I went up to him and I said, well, what if you just read a little bit of it as a poem, and then later on we can, finish it as a song, but you could just do a little bit of it as a poem. And so that's what he did. And he brought a bunch of little kids up to the stage, and he asked them, what does Christmas mean to you? And it was charming, especially Ella. Remember Ella? I will never forget Ella as long as I live. So today, I'm still going to let the melody be elusive to you, but I want to read the entire lyric. And I want you to wish, 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 wish with all your might, and write to Santa Claus. Write to Santa Claus each and every day and say, Santa, 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 please let this be a song someday that we get to hear with an angel voice. But here's the entire lyric. My kind of Christmas is a blessing so deep, a time to spend with family and friends we long to keep. My kind of Christmas is a memory to make, a time to be remembered when we give more than we take. My kind of Christmas is a blessing all year, an inspiration making every midnight so clear. My kind of Christmas doesn't end New Year's Eve. It lives on in the way we show the world what we believe. It's love in its purest form. It's peace, sweet peace of mind. It's faith in who we really are, in all the gifts we're meant to find. My kind of Christmas is a blessing tonight. So many smiling, shining, and forgotten in a light. My kind of Christmas is a holy place to me. A place in time and space right now, eternally. May angels in the snow bless all you do. Merry Christmas, my kind of Christmas to you. Someday, I hope and pray you get to hear that as a song with my very favorite angel of all singing it, David Archuleta.